مرحبا, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhamed salutes you in our channel. مرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من العربية ببساطة. Welcome to a new episode of Arabic Simply. In the previous episode, we talked in general about Arabic letters. We also talked about the letter Hamza, and its form in writing. As we mentioned that every letter in the language has a name, a symbol, and a sound. In today's episode, we'll start getting to know the rest of the letters. But before we start, we must know the exits of the letters. What I mean by letter exit is where and how each letter comes out of the mouth. As we can see in the drawing in front of us, the Arabic language contains 5 general exits. We will mention them all in general. Later, we'll mention the exit of each letter. The first exit is oral cavity. The second exit is throat. The throat has 3 special exits. The third exit is the tongue. The tongue has 10 special exits. The fourth exit is the lips. The lips have 2 special exits. The fifth exit is the nose. There are no letters coming out of the nose, but in the Arabic language a special sound comes out of it, which we call غنة. غنة. Maybe later we'll talk about غنة, but I don't think we'll need it now. Our first letter today is Alif. Alif. Alif is pronounced like A in above when it carries a Hamza. Alif is pronounced like A in care when it doesn't carry a Hamza. In Arabic, word can begin with a vowel. This is why Alif in the initial position carries a Hamza. In the following examples, we will learn about the form of Alif in different positions in the word. As we can see, the form of Alif differs according to its position in the word. Asad, Asad, Asad. سعادة, سعادة, سعادة. رأس, رأس, رأس. عصا, عصا, عصا. Now we'll learn together how to write the Hamza and Alif. Writing in Arabic is easy. Just follow me and you will learn to write Arabic letters quickly. First, we will learn to write the Hamza. Hamza is very similar to number 2 in English, but it's reversed and smaller. Watch and learn. Now, how can we write Alif? Alif without Hamza is just a stick. If we want to write Alif with Hamza, we just have to write Alif, then put Hamza above it. As we can see, it's possible to write the Hamza under the Alif. Later we will learn the difference between them. Okay, where does the letter Alif come from? When Alif carries a Hamza, it comes out from the lower throat. But when the Alif doesn't carry a Hamza, it comes from oral cavity. Now, let's watch a 3D and 2D view of the mouth while pronouncing Alif.
أ أ أ أ أ أ أ أ أ أ أ أ
أ أ أ أ
باء باء باء. The letter ba is easy, so we won't take a long time with it. It pronounced like the English B. In the following examples, we'll learn about the form of ba in different positions in the word. Here are the forms of ba in different positions of the word. بقرة بقرة بقرة. ضبع ضبع ضبع. كلب كلب كلب. Let's learn together how to write the letter ba. Where does the letter ba come from? Letter ba comes from tightly closing the lips. Let's watch a 3D and 2D view of the mouth while pronouncing ba.
أب 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 أب
أب أب أب أب.
I think that's enough for today. Before I go, I'd like to thank you for listening to our lesson today. Please don't forget to support us by like and share. If you have any comments on today's lesson or on the channel in general, please write them in the comments below. Please don't forget to watch the previous 2 episodes. You will find their link in the description below. Last but not least, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Goodbye. إلى اللقاء.